So check it out. It's about 40 degrees in my basement right now, but I was still able to work on a few projects, including this Marx 1829 Hudson. I got it from the Facebook Marketplace. It has a smoke unit in it and was just missing the trailing trucks, and they said the smoke unit didn't work properly. So I took it apart and fixed a few things. I also had to replace the element, so I put a Lionel 27 ohm element in it. Got it running really good. You have to be careful on Facebook now because scammers have come up with a new thing. They're taking pictures of items on eBay and then putting them on Facebook pages as if they're their own for sale, and so you want to make sure you go through PayPal or some reputable place so that they can't do that to you. I know a few guys have gotten scammed, so buyer beware. I also was able to pick up this Sound of Power tender. It had a broken actuator wheel, which is something new I've never fixed before. The actuator wheel has a shaft that goes through it, and the shaft was broken. Hope you can see it there. And the shaft also is what picks up electricity, transfers it from the wheel to the little metal bracket that holds it there. So that shaft broke, and I couldn't use jbweld steel stick or super glue because they're not conductive. So I looked online and I found some silver conductive paint. So I painted that on, and then I used a jbweld steel stick to reattach the shaft in there. And so we got it all hooked up. It has a really good board in it. It's really loud. So we're going to take it for a few spins. It'll be interesting to see how long that holds up. From what I've read, it's supposed to hold up for a long time, that silver paint. And you can also use it to fix circuit boards if there's a crack in the circuit board somewhere, broken connection. So we'll check it out. We'll take it for a spin. Smoking works really well. The Lionel replacement elements work really good in these Marx trains. So. And I've got some K-line cars out of Marx molds behind it that I put Marx trucks on. And we'll pick the camera up and follow it around a little bit when it comes around. There we go. That's a good working smoke unit now. So I'll put the camera back down. All right. The Sound of Power tender really sings out. They're loud anyway, and they sound really good, especially for late 60s, early 70s technology. It was pretty neat the way Marx built theirs because you can use them with any locomotive. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.